Hello everyone, I am Professor Santosh Nandal. Today we will discuss a new topic, that is money market. Before discussing money market, let's have a look on the financial markets. कि financial markets क्या होते हैं? Financial market, it is the market for sale and purchase of stocks, shares, bonds, bills of exchange, foreign currencies, etc., which works as a liquid asset. So these are not in the you can say that direct investment. It is one kind of investment, so that is directly not for manufacturing. It is a one kind of investment that is for the you can say it's a indirect investment for the liquid currency or the transaction that is taking place. The financial market is engaged in collecting funds from surplus units and lending to deficit units, which can be categorized into two markets. One is so we can categorize financial market in the two categories. One is the money market and the second one is capital market. In today's lecture we will discuss about money markets only. So now we will define money market. So what is money market? Money market is a mechanism that deals with the lending of short-term funds, that is less than 1 year. So less than 1 year the funds which are utilized, that is taking place in the money market. It refers to that part of the broader financial markets which highly liquid and very short-term financial assets which maturity up to 1 year are traded in money market. There is no fixed place such as the transactions that can take place, and only the orders or the transaction that is taking place on the telephone calls only. Participants in organized money market are Reserve Bank, banks, non-banking financial intermediaries, mutual funds, insurance companies, financial institutions, etc. So such kind of organizations or the institution, financial institutions, they are taking place in money market, so the people they do have faith on money market. Also there is a huge unorganized money market in India since ancient times, which includes local money lenders, chit funds, etc. They are unregulated by the government. So those who are the unorganized money markets, so they are not organized by government, so government does not give any consideration to such kind of unorganized markets. Now we will discuss about the characteristics of developed money market. What are the characteristics of developed money market? We will discuss here. Existence of central bank. So central bank, because RBI is also there. RBI is a central bank of India. So the people they do have faith on developed money markets. Highly organized commercial banking system. The banking system which they are taking place in money market, they are highly organized. So we can't we can have a trust on it, which are the organized or the developed money market. Existence of sub-markets. So in the money market there is a subsidiaries are there, and there is a existence of the sub-markets are there. Integrated structure money market. They are the markets are structured with integration with one to another markets. Availability of credit instruments. So there is a proper credit facilities or instruments are available in money market. Adequacy and the elasticity of funds. The funds, so they are adequate and that can be increased as per the need of the people who want to make transaction in money market. International attractions, because these are the developed money market, so always there is attractions of the international agencies, international institutions, so they do have faith on the in the organized or the developed money market. Stability of uniformity of interest rates. So there is a uniformity, there is no difference of the rate of interest in the one money market to or the another money market. So that's why the interest rates are uniform. So the people they do have faith, so they do not have to make no need to make choose one. This market is having the less rate of interest, other market is having the high rate of interest. So normally the rate of interest are uniform, बराबर होते हैं. Stability of prices. Prices are stable, so there is no fluctuations of prices in money market. Highly developed industrial system. The industrial system is which is connected with the money market, so that's a very highly established or the highly developed. So the people, they can have faith on it. Now we will discuss the common money market instruments. So what are the common money market instruments? So we will discuss here. One is call money, we will define it laterly. Treasury bills, cash management bills, waves and means advances, certificate of deposits, commercial papers, and commercial commercial bills. So these are the instruments of because commercial bills, not commercial banks, because the commercial banks are the part of money market. So they are components of money market, and these the instruments which is taking place in money market, that is commercial bills, that is also taking place. Now we will define separately कि what is call money market, क्या होता है call money market, हम उसके बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे. It is an interbank market. If the money is borrowed or lent for one day, then it is called call money market. कि यदि पैसा एक दिन के लिए उधार लिया गया तो उसको हम कॉल मनी मार्केट की कैटेगरी के अंदर रखें. द रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट इज टर्म्ड एज कॉल मनी मार्केट एंड इट कीप्स इन चेंजिंग ऑन hourly basis depending on demand and supply. So rate of interest is depending on the demand and supply, so that is changing continuously. If the demand is higher, certainly always there is a inverse relationship between the demand and the rate of interest. So if the demand will be higher, rate of interest will be higher also, and when demand will low, then rate of interest that will be lower also. Now we will discuss about the treasury bills. What are treasury bills? We will discuss here. They are market instruments to finance short-term requirements of the government of India. RBI sell treasury bills on behalf of central government. These are discounted securities. They are considered risk-free and highly liquid. Buyers of treasury bills include Reserve Bank of India itself, commercial banks, NBFC, LIC, UTI, and GIC. There are three types of treasury bills. That is, they are 91-day treasury bills, 182 treasury bills, and third one is the 364-day treasury bills. So in addition to that, what we can say that specifically government in the time of need of the funds, so the government sells such kind of treasury bills on the behalf of the central governments, and the RBI takes because RBI is making the sale and purchase of such kind of the bills. So on the behalf of the central government, so RBI is selling such kind of the treasury through the treasury, such kind of bills. And we have already discussed about that is for the 91-day treasury bill, 182-day treasury bills, and the 364 treasury bills. Now we will discuss about the cash management. What is cash management? The cash management was introduced in 2010. Reserve Bank of India sells cash bank management on behalf of central government to raise money for temporary needs of the government of India, and it is similar to treasury bills, but the tenure is less than 91 days. So cash management bill just like treasury bill की तरह ही होता है, और इसका जो टाइम पीरियड है, जो टेन्योर है, वो 91 दिन से नीचे है, कम है. और दिस इज आल्सो फॉर बिकॉज समटाइम्स द गवर्नमेंट नीड्स फंड्स, तो आरबीआई क्या करता है, इनको भेजता है किसके बिहाफ पे, सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट. सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट क्यों नहीं भेज सकते? बिकॉज द सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट इज नॉट ए बैंक, आरबीआई इज बैंक. सो ऑल द ट्रांजेक्शन दैट इज टेकिंग प्लेस थ्रू द रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया, बट ऑन द बिहाफ ऑफ central government. Now we will discuss the ways and means advances. So ways and mean advances, we will have to discuss it. It was introduced as an argument between Reserve Bank of India and Government of India. Ways and means advances are temporary loans, overdraft by Reserve Bank of India to government, both central and the state government, under Section 17(5) of Reserve Bank of India Act. Ways and means advances replaced ad hoc treasury bill system. So this is an ad hoc mechanism. It's a for you can say that for the temporary basis, such kind of the ways and means are used by government, and RBI making such an arrangement for this, and as per discussion that it has been taken place between the Reserve Bank of India and Government of India, so such kind of ways and means advances, they work on it. Now we will discuss about the certificate of deposits. What are the certificate of deposits? Certificate of deposits are issued by scheduled commercial banks and selected financial institutions that have been permitted by Reserve Bank of India to raise short-term funds. It is used by banks to meet its own short-term bank funds requirement. The maturity period of certificate of deposits issued by bank is more than 7 days and less than 1 year. So in addition to that, what we can say that कि certificate of deposits Reserve Bank of India भी खुद यूज़ कर सकता है और अपने उसको फंड्स की स्कैर्सिटी को पूरा करने के लिए, और गवर्नमेंट भी, सो दे कैन आल्सो यूज आफ्टर द परमिशन ऑफ रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया. Now we will discuss about the commercial papers. Commercial papers that were introduced during a short-term money market instrument issued as an unsecured promissory note and is privately placed. Companies, primary dealers and financial institutions can issue commercial papers to meet their short-term fund requirement. Maturity is minimum days and maximum अप टू 1 ईयर. तो मैक्सिमम कितना हो सकता है? 1 साल का हो सकता है. और कोई भी कंपनी है या कोई प्राइमरी डीलर्स है, वो इसको अपने फंड्स को पूरा करने के लिए कॉमर्शियल पेपर्स को क्या कर सकते हैं? बेच सकते हैं. सो दिस इज आल्सो यूज्ड फॉर द टू फुलफिल द रिक्वायरमेंट्स फॉर द शॉर्ट टर्म फंड्स. नाउ वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द कॉमर्शियल बिल्स. कि इसकी कॉमर्शियल बिल्स होते क्या हैं? व्हाट आर द कॉमर्शियल बिल्स? Bills are negotiable instruments drawn by the seller or buyer of goods for the value of goods delivered. कि जो कॉमर्शियल बिल्स हैं वो जो गुड्स की जो डिलीवर किए गए उसकी वैल्यू के अकॉर्डिंग, जितना भी उसकी प्राइस है, जितना भी अमाउंट है, उसके अकॉर्डिंग ही कॉमर्शियल पेपर की फॉर्मेशन होती है. दीज आर कॉल्ड ट्रेडेड बिल्स. कि इसको हम ट्रेडेड बिल का नाम भी दे सकते हैं. दी ट्रेडेड बिल्स बिकम The traded bills become commercial bank deposit also when they are accepted by commercial banks. So they can be also become the one kind of deposits if that is accepted by commercial banks also. Or maximum allowed period is 90 days. These bills are discounted by commercial banks first, and that is further rediscounted by Reserve Bank of India. So the commercial bills first that will be discounted by the commercial banks, and again it will be discounted by Reserve Bank of India. So commercial banks just only you can say that if the trading is taking place, or you can say that goods are traded through banks, so in the amount of money which is used for the trading of specified टाइप ऑफ गुड्स, सो उसके पेमेंट के लिए जो यूज़ किया जाता है वो दैट इज़ कॉल्ड कॉमर्शियल बिल्स. सो थैंक यू वेरी मच.